Hi, my name is Ouri with Forever 18. I'm a Gainswave provider, and I just finished a great workshop, strategic workshop with Mark. And in today's competitive world, if you want to make it in business, and when you're opening up any kind of business today, you need all the information and the edge to really succeed today. And I feel that the workshop gives you a lot of information on how to pretty much get new leads, retain customers, customer service, pretty much A to Z of how to run the business. And it was very informative and great information. And I'm going to take it and study it and try to execute it in my business as well. Of course, at the end of the day, it's execution that really counts, and that's the challenge. But you need to start with the information and the knowledge first. And it's definitely helpful, and it was a great program. Thank you.